Hey you guys, how's it going? Welcome to today's video. We got the second gen right here looking all clean. We did some polishing on it last night. We went ahead and polished out the bed a little bit, which we did not wipe it all, so let me go grab a rag. But yeah, we polished the bed a little bit last night because we're gonna go ahead and ceramic coat it probably tonight, just because water gets on it and I'm tired of looking at water spots all the time. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish polishing out the bed later on. But right now we got a package from Carli suspension, so we're gonna go ahead and get that open real quick. So I'll see you guys in the garage. Bam, here's our box from Carli. Pretty sweet. Let's see how we open this thing. It's open right here, you guys see. Pretty heavy. All packaged. Here's one of them. Oh yeah, those are so nice. Look at that build quality. Those are clean. Look at that. Wow. Carli be doing it right. Those are so nice. Very nice. Me like. Alright, let's go ahead and get the rest out. Alrighty, we are currently trying to get our oil catch can set up on the second gen right now. Let me go ahead and show you what I was thinking. Let's hop on under the truck real quick. Oh, right in the gravel, real nice, you know. Oh. But no, I was thinking, so we got the tank right here. So that's what I was thinking, is here's our air dog pump. I kind of want to mount it right here. Just like that, right in front of the air dog system. Then we got the hose running all the way up front to where it would connect. But yeah, it's kind of an oily mess under here, as you can see. You probably can't really tell, but I mean, it's not that. Most trucks are probably worse, but it's pretty nasty under here. Get those arms on if you can, so yeah. My dad just went to get the barb fitting we need, and then he'll come back, and then we're gonna go ahead and get this on. So I will see you guys when he is back here. Alrighty, you guys. Well, we finally got the setup on. We had to run it somewhere else on the other side of the truck, actually. So it's now under here on the passenger side, all mounted up. It runs. The hose runs up and over and all the way over there. It's kind of sketch. Had to really secure it to make sure it doesn't rub with like the driveline and stuff, so we'll be watching that. But no, it's dialed now. We're gonna do the Carli arms another day because we already ran out of time. It's gonna get dark in a couple of hours, but we're going to my buddy Addie's house to ride pit bikes. That won't be in this video, that'll be in a pit bike series. But yeah, I also have a question. If anyone watching this video knows how to remove these, they're like, I don't know, there's these, it's for like the RV things that go in the bed of your truck. But if anyone knows how to get rid of these, please let me know down in the comments, because you cannot get to the nut with the fuel tank right there, I don't think. So if you guys know a way, or if you do have to drop the gas tank, that would be helpful if you tell me. So yeah, please let me know. But other than that, we're gonna be jumping straight to the Carli suspension. So
Yeah, I don't know if you wanted that on there, but that's like just what came
pipe.
off the stock.
Yeah, it's to keep the hoses from melting that pipe.
Alright, you guys, we are back from Addie's. We were gonna wait to do this, but we decided we're just gonna pull an all-nighter and get those arms on. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw the Carli arms on, and then we'll show you guys. Probably time lapse it or something. So yeah, cute time lapse right now. Well, we ran to Home Depot and picked up some star bits for working on the Beamer, because we don't have any of those, because we don't really, I mean, now we have Euro cars, but we never had Euro cars until I turned 16, so yeah, now we got Euro cars. But man, look at it over in the corner. Dude, check out this hose reel. Realcraft, if any of y'all are looking for some freaking hose reels, they got what's up right there. But no, I think I'm gonna maybe take the second gen out real quick and just show you guys how much better the steering is on this thing. It's like driving a brand new truck now. Like super tight steering wheel. Where's my keys? Start it up for you guys and just show you how tight the steering is now. Let's grab the keys. Alright, let's hop in this thing real quick and just give you guys a demonstration. Let's see here. Up in. Got that leather interior. No heated seats though. They don't be working. If anyone knows, like, I might have to take this thing to Dodge or something. I don't know where I would take this thing to get the heated seats fixed. Woo! She's purring. But now check this out. Like, it's tight. Let's see if. Before there was a lot of slouch in the steering wheel, like a lot of slouch. Now it's dialed. It has never driven or felt this good. So yeah, let's go ahead and shut her off. But no, it's 10 times better. If you guys are doing, if you guys have like a leveling kit on your second gens, and you want to go with a kit that is, you know, it's not the cheapest, obviously, but it's definitely going to work the best. Carli is the way to go. They look very sleek, high quality. I mean, I don't think it gets much high quality compared to these when you're just doing extended arms and not like a long arm kit. But yeah, I wanted to do the Flight Fab long arm kit, but I'm not lifting my truck, so there's no reason for me to do that. It would be pointless. So I ended up just going with the Carlis, and yeah, we're gonna go full Carli on this truck. Probably gonna do the Dominator system on it, honestly, depending on if like it can still tow small trailers with it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and probably do the Dominator system, probably not for like a year because it's like $7 grand. But we're gonna be doing the Thurin Fab, what is it called? Man, I'm having a brain fart. The Thurin Fab sway bar. We're doing the Thurin Fab sway bar. It's super clean, very nice quality. It's like $600, not too bad. But we're gonna do that, and then yeah, we're just gonna make this thing look clean. We have to take our, we actually have to take our Banks Monster Ram, which we've had sitting in here for like almost a year. But I do not like that red powder coat, so we're gonna get that blasted and repowder coated a special color. And then we're also going to have our Evil Fab intake powder coated the same color to match. And then we're probably going to wear some full send diesel stuff because they just came out with a new coolant tube setup for these trucks, and it looks so clean. So we're definitely getting that. Get rid of that ugly silicone one that's in there. So, or not silicone, it's just, I don't know what it is. It's not silicone though. But yeah, that's pretty much that on the, whoa, almost fell. That's pretty much that for the Carli suspension. Highly recommend. It's very good, very dialed. Okay guys, we got an alignment appointment for 2 o'clock. It's like 1 right now. We just got done working on the pit bike because, yeah, I watered my shit last night. But no, the truck is looking dialed. We're actually about to do some work to the Beamer. It's been sitting, it's got issues. It needs a little bit of loving. Looks gorgeous, but yeah, she needs some work, and I got other things to put money into right now, so we're gonna go ahead and pull cylinder 1 plug out and see what's going on in there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it. Well, we got the plug out, and this is what I didn't want to see. Look at that. That thing is coated in oil. That thing is roasted. That's so bad. So clearly, we have oil it's not leaking. The turbo isn't leaking on the exhaust side, if that's even the issue. It's leaking on the turbine side. But, I mean, look at that. That is bad. No wonder this thing was misfiring so bad. Like, I could barely get this fucking thing to run. So yeah, we now know why at least. But yeah, she's done. I'm gonna probably shove a rag in there for now. Make sure no one starts it. All right, chirping the tire. Already, the BMW is all washed up. We got it in the garage for now because we got that valve cover coming for it. So stay tuned for that video. It will be coming out hopefully relatively soon. This thing is on its road to recovery, hopefully. We're gonna probably polish it out this week, maybe. Give her something to look nice for, but yeah, I think we might coat the bed tonight on the 2nd gen. Because I've been wanting to do that, but now it's raining, so if it keeps raining, we're obviously not going to do that. But now, this is our next focus now that we got the truck running great, besides doing an oil change on it, which that's simple stuff. There's no reason to film that. But yeah, this thing is our next big project. And yeah, if you guys like pit bike content, there's going to be a lot of that coming. We just pretty much got the bike done, besides I'm waiting on my guy to get my wheels done for me. And then I just need to order exhaust and a couple other small things, and it is done. But yeah, stay tuned for those videos coming out. I do have the peg bar sitting over there. I'm just waiting on my pegs to come. They're stuck in LA right now in customs because they came from Australia. So yeah, we're just waiting on those. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please smash that subscribe button. And other than that, it's gonna end off today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.